Howdy y'all, this is Ishmael and Jessica back at it for another episode of the Texas Travel Series.
This time we are back in Boerne, Texas. We're gonna have a cave concert experience, go sailing, and so much more. We are here with Try Some Sailing. This is the smallest boat I've ever seen for sailing. We've been sailing before, but this one's completely different. We're definitely gonna get wet. It's so cool because they will take you out on Boerne Lake and you get to learn, really get into the ropes of it.
What is that part called? The what?
The boom.
The boom.
You know why they call it the boom? Because that's the sound it makes when it hits you on the head. They've been calling it the boom for thousands of years because it always makes the same sound.
So we're now on the Nimbus. This is the smallest sailboat we've ever been in to this date. What do you feel so far?
I'm just nervous we're gonna flip over. I lost my shoe, so hopefully nothing else.
So what was cool about this experience is that it was just more than a sailing excursion. When you got on the sailboat, Captain Chapa let you take control of the boat. We were not expecting that, but I'm super happy that we got to experience that.
Welcome, we are staying at the Kendall Hotel. I'm so excited because last time we were at the Erastus Reed and now we're at the Sarah Reed. So it's very much more feminine, beautiful, lots of white, so much space. This is beautiful. I love the fireplace, but my favorite part is definitely the bathroom. How luxurious is this? This is so cool. One of my favorite parts of any hotel is getting to enjoy a bathtub, and this one is just so perfect. I feel so relaxed. I have this whole space around me. This is fabulous. We had such a lovely meal at Las Guitarras. The chili and nagada was phenomenal. I love the sweet and the savory combination. And then we had the fresh fish as well as enchiladas, and you can't go wrong with that. All wrapped up with some nice live music. Starting our morning at Gather, and I think the name is so fitting because this is really a community space. They have so many areas where you can relax. They have a delicious breakfast and lunch, and then in the afternoons they host a lot of events. People can rent for the wedding space, and it's so cool because this is a 1925 home that they have renovated. So really a great place for people to come and meet with each other. This brioche French toast is a work of art. I mean, look, first of all of the colorful fruits that we have. We've got some peaches, some blackberries, and then we've got the edible flowers. And this is a cream cheese mousse, so I can't wait to dig into this.
Well, the way that we really come up with the menu and add new things to it is mainly influenced just like by the property and just seeing the natural beauty. And when you have such natural beauty around you, it's hard to create something that has so many like frills and extra things, because the more simple something is, the more beautiful it is. And that's what I see when I'm here, and that's what I like to put on a plate as well.
Done with one of the most energizing breakfasts we've had, with beautiful stories and beautiful people.
And this is made in Texas here, in Austin actually. So in Texas, ruby grapefruit, it's always delicious when in season. So we're going to be making a variation of a paloma. It's called a Durango.
Now I'm trying to find my feet again. Oh, but each time I fall, I'm reaching out for your hand. And every time you're the lift I've been waiting on.
Sorry, so you do workshops. How does that work?
Yeah, so on Wednesday nights we have tequila workshops, so we make 2 agave-based cocktails, We also have Tiki Night on Thursday. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, we have our Shake It Up workshop. It's a variety workshop where there's something for everybody. People can mix and match their spirits and modifiers. And then on Saturday mornings, we do brunch at 11 a.m. So we'll make the Ramos Gin Fizz and a French 75 every Saturday morning.
And you guys know how much I love glitter, so I'm gonna add it to our drink. A little pixie dust. So now one of the coolest places to stay in Boerne is at the Kendall Inn, but not just anywhere. It is at a church on property. They have renovated it, and inside it's perfectly romantic, and I just can't wait to give you a tour. As you walk in, one of the things that I love is that it is so open. You've got a little dining space, you've got the living area, kind of this farmhouse chic mixed in with those church vibes. This is so romantic. First off, this bed is so plush. That mattress is huge. You've got some chairs to relax on, the little makeup area, but the bathroom, that takes away the cake. Now the question is, do you choose the shower because that's massive, or do you choose this bathtub? Both are great options, but I think I'm leaning towards this bathtub. We had multiple courses, from the complimentary bread to the complimentary soup, a salad that came out with our meal, and I loved how everything's a little bit different. So we had some shrimp, we had steak, so many great things. So I can live it up and do it all again and again. Now dessert, I didn't think we had any room, but they convinced us. They kept talking about how amazing their gelatos and sorbets were, and we couldn't choose which one we wanted, so they graded us a great spread. But you can't miss out on their chocolate mousse cake or their carrot cake either. Sunday party, let's call it a perfect weekend. To cool off from this Texas heat, we got some flights at Free Run Brewing. They are a local brewery, new to the area, and one thing I really like is all the events they have going on, such as yoga in the beer garden every Sunday.
And also they are pet friendly. We met the cutest, most friendly 5-year-old puppy ever. I'm holding on for one more day. I'm fighting every minute.
Now we have the Hill Country Mile, which is so many different cute boutiques and shops, so let's go inside with you. First up, how cute is this little entrance? I love the flowers and the vibe, but inside of mainly vintage, it is super cute. Obviously a lot of vintage items, a lot of antiques, a lot of great stuff for your home. Of course, we had to have a little wine stop at 38 and Vine. What is so cool about this place is you get to have different pours, whether it's 1 ounce, half a glass, or a full glass. They have all different kinds of wines for all different kinds of wine drinkers, as well as all different types of budgets. You could spend $2 for a 1 ounce pour, or you could spend about $200 for a 1 ounce pour. Now maybe you don't want to spend that much money, but the cool thing is you can try a higher end bottle without committing to a full glass. Now Flashback Funtiques, I mean the name says it all, but so many antiques, a lot of really unique things to find. I mean just shops in general in Boerne are so unique. The perfect weekend. Let's call it a perfect weekend.
Too many days in the darkness, without a glimpse of the light. Running tired and broken and scared, but I
That is so my store. I love all the glitter, all the pinks. That dress is super cute, and this Coincident purse, I almost bought it. I'm still thinking about it. Might come back tomorrow.
over your eyes. Every part of you wants to surrender, but darling, you were meant to surrender.
This might be one of the coolest concert experiences ever. We are in Cave Without a Name, but down there is a whole concert about to happen.
Open your heart, spend less time in your head. With every star, we are born again. Open your heart, spend less time in your head.
Starting off with a delicious breakfast, but you know we're in Texas, so a cinnamon roll as big as my head, I am for it. And they also have duffins, which is a mixture of a donut and a muffin. Genius.
Just like a seed in a garden.
It is lunchtime and I am so ready to dig into some tacos at Boerne Taco House. Indoors it is so beautiful. Out here on the patio we've got some guac, we've got some jamaica, and we are ready to dig in.
Lift me up in your branches. We can watch the sunrise. Just a couple of bruised up souls that believe that it was worth one more try. With every star, we are born again. Open your heart.
That's a wrap.
Till next time, make sure to follow and subscribe on Kendall Inn for more Texas adventures.